Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat siang. Jadi ada saya Cukina Coji. Ini kita kali kedua mau ke air terjun Dendengan yang ada di Desa Koyoan, Luwuk, Banggai, Sulawesi Tengah. Nanti kita pergi bersama dengan Ibu Lady dan beberapa teman. Nanti kita bakal mengeksplor kembali air terjun Dendengannya seperti apa. Oke, let's go.
Wrong in my heart. Even though it gives me to breathe this air, see life does what it thinks is fair. When I'm driving through the night with no strength left inside, can I call you? Can I call you? When the radio don't play the song to ease my pain, can I call you? 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 Even though it feels wrong in my heart, when I'm driving through the night with no strength left inside, can I call you? Can I call you? When the radio don't play the song to ease my pain, can I call you? 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 Maybe stars will show me something, something I can hold on to. And maybe stars will show me something, shine a light so I know it's you. Can I call you? Can I call you? Can I call you? Can I call you? Maybe stars will show me something, something I can hold on to. And maybe stars will show me something, shine a light so I know it's you. Can I call you? Can I call you? Can I call you? Can I call you?
Lagi rest di salah satu tempat. Ada Gio. Halo Gio. Ada Koko Al. Di belakang ada Pak Ewin, Ibu Lady sama Madam. Kita mau menunggu beberapa tim lagi yang akan bergabung bersama kita untuk menuju ke air terjun Dendengan. Air terjun apa?
Halo, air terjun air.
Dendengan.
Air terjun Dendengan.
Oke, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye Gio. Bye bye.
Rising up like a phoenix says, I'm tired of pushed down the grounds. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
lagi
I got my love, I got my eyes, moving them close to my goal.
sama
Time is
Lady,
now, please
ada
is
Gio.
feeling the holes of my soul.
Welcome to
I
Dendengan.
see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, who I get, who I get, who I get now. Racing up like phoenixes. Sticking around like I see, I like, I go, I get, who I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, who I get, who I get, who I get now. I see, I like, I go, I get, who I get, who I get, who I get now. You sit there with that look on your face like you won. Like nothing that I say is gonna change how you feel now. You sit there and you tell me you fell out of love. And we are in your way, so you just gotta leave now. And we just need to understand your reasons. And you are gonna justify this treason by telling me the promises that we swore ain't enough. So now you're gonna be another person. And how do I explain this shit to our son? How'd you tell a child about a girlfriend that he's gone? Well, I will be the strongest that he ever knew. And I will be there when he needs your love, strong enough. Don't worry, I will carry your shit for us, no matter how bad the storm. I will be the strongest that he ever knew, and we'll leave you alone. You sit there with your phone in your hands and you're hurt. You tell me that you feel like you lost me when he came. I'm sorry, but I cannot connect with your words. Cause right now what matters isn't yours, but it's his name. And we just need to find another income. Cause she wants you to help her with her own one. And you want me to tell me that what you've done is okay. So now you're gonna be another father, and I will be a different kind of mother. And how'd you tell a toddler about stepbrothers that he's straight?
Oke, jadi kita sudah selesai refreshing di Waterfall Terjun Dendengan. Gimana, Mbak?